Welcome to the exciting world of ethical hacking. In this comprehensive guide, we'll be exploring the fascinating realm of Kali Linux, a powerful operating system designed for security professionals and enthusiasts alike. Kali Linux is a treasure trove of tools and utilities, pre-packaged to empower you in the art of ethical hacking. Think of Kali Linux as your ultimate toolkit for cybersecurity. It's not just a collection of software. It's a comprehensive suite designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experts. Just like a skilled craftsman relies on specialized tools, ethical hackers leverage Kali Linux to identify vulnerabilities and strengthen systems against potential threats. This operating system is meticulously crafted to provide you with the best tools available. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your journey into the world of cybersecurity, Kali Linux provides an unparalleled platform for honing your skills and deepening your understanding of ethical hacking. It's a versatile tool that adapts to your learning curve. But before we dive into the technical intricacies, it's crucial to grasp the significance of ethical hacking. Understanding the ethical implications and responsibilities is the foundation of becoming a proficient cybersecurity expert. Ethical hackers play a pivotal role in today's digitally driven world. They are the guardians of our digital fortresses, proactively seeking out vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. Their work is essential in maintaining the integrity and security of our digital infrastructure. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve into the step-by-step process of downloading, installing, and navigating Kali Linux, equipping you with the knowledge to embark on your ethical hacking endeavors. We'll cover everything from basic setup to advanced configurations. Get ready to unleash the power of Kali Linux and embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of cybersecurity. Your adventure into ethical hacking starts here. In today's interconnected world, where data breaches and cyber attacks have become increasingly common, the need for robust cybersecurity measures is more pressing than ever. The role of ethical hackers has never been more critical. These professionals are the unsung heroes of the digital age. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, are the guardians of the digital realm, using their skills to identify and address security vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. They are the first line of defense in the battle against cybercrime. Unlike their malicious counterparts, ethical hackers operate with a strict code of ethics, always seeking permission before probing systems and ensuring that their actions are legal and authorized. This ethical framework is what sets them apart and makes their work invaluable. They are driven by a passion for making the digital world a safer place, working tirelessly to protect individuals, organizations, and governments from the ever-present threat of cyber attacks. Their dedication is unwavering, and their impact is profound. The importance of ethical hacking cannot be overstated. It is a cornerstone of modern cybersecurity strategies. By proactively identifying and mitigating security risks, ethical hackers play a crucial role in safeguarding sensitive data, protecting critical infrastructure, and maintaining the integrity of our digital systems. Their work ensures that our digital lives remain secure and private. In the next section, we'll guide you through the process of obtaining and installing Kali Linux, providing you with the foundation to embark on your ethical hacking journey. Stay tuned as we delve into the tools and techniques that will empower you to make a difference in the world of cybersecurity. Now that we've established the importance of ethical hacking and its role in strengthening cybersecurity, let's dive into the practical aspects of getting started with Kali Linux, a powerful tool for ethical hackers and security professionals. Downloading and installing Kali Linux is a straightforward process, even for those new to the world of Linux distributions. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible. First, you'll need to download the Kali Linux ISO image from the official website. This image file contains everything you need to get started. The ISO image is essentially a digital copy of the operating system that you can use to create a bootable USB drive or DVD. This is a crucial step in the installation process. Once you've downloaded the ISO image, you'll need to create a bootable USB drive or DVD using a tool like Rufus or UNetbooting. These tools make the process simple and efficient. This process essentially copies the Kali Linux operating system onto your chosen media, allowing you to boot your computer from it. It's a seamless way to get started. With your bootable media ready, you can now install Kali Linux on your computer. This will transform your system into a powerful tool for security testing. The installation process is typically straightforward, involving selecting your preferred language, keyboard layout, and partitioning scheme. It's designed to be intuitive. Detailed step-by-step instructions for downloading and installing Kali Linux can be found on the official Kali Linux website or various online tutorials. These resources are invaluable for beginners and experts alike. Congratulations on successfully installing Kali Linux. You're now one step closer to embarking on your ethical hacking adventures. In this section, we'll familiarize ourselves with the Kali Linux desktop environment, providing you with the lay of the land. Upon booting into Kali Linux, you'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive desktop environment. The default desktop environment for Kali Linux is XFCE, known for its speed, simplicity, and customizability. At the top of the screen, you'll find the panel, which houses various system icons, including the application menu, clock, and system tray. The application menu provides access to all the pre-installed tools and utilities that Kali Linux has to offer. You can browse through the menu by category or use the search bar to quickly find the tool you're looking for. The terminal, a powerful command line interface, is your gateway to the true power of Kali Linux. Now that you're acquainted with the Kali Linux desktop environment, you're ready to start exploring the vast array of ethical hacking tools at your disposal. Section 5. Unveiling the power of information gathering tools. Information gathering is the bedrock of ethical hacking. Before you can even think about penetrating a system, you need to gather as much information as possible about your target. This is where information gathering tools come into play. One such tool is Nmap, a powerful network scanner that allows you to map out networks, identify active hosts, and discover open ports. Nmap is like a digital detective, meticulously gathering clues about your target's network infrastructure. Another indispensable tool in an ethical hacker's arsenal is Wireshark, a network protocol analyzer that allows you to capture and analyze network traffic in real time. Wireshark is like a surveillance camera for your network, giving you a glimpse into the data flowing through your wires. By mastering these information-gathering tools, you'll gain invaluable insights into your target's systems, paving the way for more advanced ethical hacking techniques. Section 6. Vulnerability Analysis. Finding the weak points. Once you've gathered sufficient information about your target, the next step is to identify potential vulnerabilities. Vulnerability analysis is the process of meticulously examining systems and applications for weaknesses that could be exploited by attackers. OpenVAS, a comprehensive vulnerability scanner, is an indispensable tool for this task. OpenVAS scans your target systems for known vulnerabilities, providing you with a detailed report of any weaknesses that need to be addressed. Think of OpenVAS as a digital security audit, uncovering hidden flaws and providing recommendations for strengthening your defenses. By identifying and addressing vulnerabilities early on, you can significantly reduce the risk of successful attacks. Section 7. Diving into web application security. Web applications have become ubiquitous, powering everything from online shopping to social networking. However, with their increasing complexity comes an increased risk of security vulnerabilities. Burp Suite is a powerful web vulnerability scanner that allows you to test web applications for a wide range of security flaws. It acts as an intermediary between your browser and the web application, allowing you to intercept, modify, and replay requests and responses. OWASP-Zap is another popular open-source web application security scanner that provides a comprehensive suite of tools for finding and exploiting vulnerabilities. From cross-site scripting or XSS to SQL injection, OWASP-Zap can help you uncover and remediate a wide range of web application security flaws. Section 8. Cracking the code password analysis tools. Passwords are the first line of defense against unauthorized access. However, weak or easily guessable passwords can be a major security liability. John the Ripper is a popular password cracking tool that employs a variety of techniques, including dictionary attacks and brute force methods, to crack passwords. It's like a digital locksmith, tirelessly working to find the right combination to unlock your target's accounts. Hashcat is another powerful password cracking tool that leverages the power of your graphics card to crack passwords at lightning speed. With its advanced algorithms and brute force capabilities, Hashcat can crack even the most complex passwords. It's important to note that password cracking tools should only be used for ethical purposes, such as testing the strength of your own passwords or with explicit permission from the system owner. Section 9. Expanding your hacking arsenal. Congratulations! You've now been introduced to some of the most essential ethical hacking tools available in Kali Linux. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Kali Linux is a vast and constantly evolving ecosystem of tools and techniques. To further expand your hacking arsenal, I encourage you to explore the following categories of tools. Exploitation tools. These tools allow you to take advantage of vulnerabilities you've discovered to gain further access to systems. Metasploit and Skullmap are two popular examples. Wireless attacks. Tools like aircracking can be used to assess the security of wireless networks. Social engineering. The Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET, can be used to simulate real-world social engineering attacks. Evasion techniques. Tools like veil evasion help you to bypass security measures like antivirus software. Remember, ethical hacking is an ongoing journey of learning and discovery. Stay curious, stay ethical, and never stop exploring the fascinating world of cybersecurity.